Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to show you some highlighters that I'm loving. So the first highlighter that I'm going to show you is by MAC, and it's called Cheeky Bronze. It's a beautiful highlighter. That's what it looks like. Now I'll give it a swatch. So that's what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. This next one that I like to use is by Sleek, and it's the face contour kit in dark. So that's what it looks like. And I'll give it a swatch. That's it right there. It is so pretty. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this one already. It's by NARS. It's actually a blush and it's called Orgasm. But if you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. I'll give it a swatch. That's what it looks like. This next one is also a blush. It's by NYX and it's called Beach Babe, but I use it as a highlighter. That's what it looks like. It's pretty. Now I know everybody has seen this. It's by Fenty Beauty and it's Trophy Wife. This one you use with a very light hand. If you haven't seen it, that's what it looks like. And it's just absolutely beautiful. If you're a drama queen, then you need this. Look at that. It's like pow! Oh my god. So pretty. The last one is actually by BH Cosmetics, and it's their Wild and Radiant Baked Illuminating and Bronzing Palette. That's what it looks like. And if you guys don't have this, I don't know what the hell you're waiting for, because it's absolutely stunning. I'll swatch it. These are the first two swatches. So that was for this row. Oh, gorgeous. Now I'll swatch these two. That's what that looks like. Out of all of the highlighters that I've shown, this one for sure you need it. It's the most bang for your buck. You get 4 massive highlighters. Get it. Seriously, you will not be disappointed. That's everything to my fave highlighters. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? If you have any other questions, put them down below. You know I like to see your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!